Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is going to be November Patreon 2025, Part 1. We'll be looking at Warhammer Proxies, D&D, and figures for your 3D printing needs. I'm sorry about the voice and how I'm talking. I am sick. I'm getting over a cold. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much, and let's get started as well. So we got clay, cyanide miniatures. So we got October, it'll be the Yellow King, so it'll be the Eldrick one. And I have not received any of this yet, but there's basically Lovecraft's stuff for it. But hopefully it will drop soon because we're missing a lot of it. Letting you know, I think for November, that's the Kickstarter one, Starseed. STL Miniature, another good one as well. They do a lot of, terrains and little props as well for your character. So we got like an arena, a armored beholder, armored Medusa. I don't know what the hell that is. A human, a Lionoid, a noble. And they got more stuff as well. That's October. There should be a lot more, if I remember correctly. They got these two monsters as well. These ghouls and zombies for you. Rowan Art, it's a figure. They have some D&D stuff as well. You have your pin-up and 5 smaller miniatures for your thing. So it looks like we have like a witch in many ways. And we have little people that you can actually do. A female werewolf. That's a vampire, I believe. Merciless the Haunted. The Duskblade. 3D Monji, they do a lot of loot stuff, and also regular figures, anime figures as well. This is another one, I believe. Korean Man from Another World, and I don't know if we can vote. Why not? I want the middle. I want the middle. I want the middle. I want the middle. And this one just came out right now. This is from on Hentai. Letting you guys know as well. Mario Studio, another figure. That one's already passed. Mercy. I think for November, I don't know what we're getting on it, but you can go take a look down the link below. PG Costa. They have 3 things. We have this one. I think it's Green Fire, I believe his name is. But this is November recap. Kara 709, Janelle Lum, Jen, ATV Polaris, Mai, and Trick or Treat as well. Hero Infinite by Hero Infinite, another good one for Warhammer proxies in many ways. I don't get it from Patreon anymore. I got it from their actual store. You pay a little more, you get more stuff out of it. It looks like we got a lot of stuff for like demon corn stuff, dragons, and dwarves and stuff. I think a lot of these stuff you use for like proxies for Warhammer in many ways. So you have your terrain pieces. So it looks like the Iron Dwarves, Dragonborn versus the Sulfur Dwarves. Meet the leader tier content. And they look like a Chaos Dwarves right there. It's supposed to be a Dragonborn dragon, a half dragon. It's like a cleric uh, dwarf, spellcaster, mutated dwarf in many ways. Damn, they're just growing tusk everywhere in their face, don't they? That looks pretty cool. Monsters and vehicles. That you can use for Court Army, pretty much, in many ways. Blessed of Onyxkin Scorn. I think these are like chaos. They look more like chaos dwarves than actual like dwarves, in my opinion, for it. Well, the terrain looks pretty cool. Be a pain to put them away. Hmm. Become an overlord. Obsidian scared. Arena Fang warriors. Sulfur gunners. Blaze riders. That looks kind of cool too. Sacred horns. Oh, kind of cool too. Crew. Modular sceneries. That's gonna be a lot of resin or filament just to print all that sucker up. Arch villain, they do fantasy and sci-fi. Some of the sci-fi you can actually, some of these you can actually use for Warhammer proxies. For it, so we got big ass primal ape like Kong. And we have a cyber Cerberus, looks like it. This is kind of cool. We have a chimera. There is a monster from D&D that's a four-armed ape, and they're like I think a demon. I believe is purple as well. Spellcraver. This is very good for like a jungle campaign. To see where you guys are going with this as well. So far, no Warhammer proxies I can see. Kong. I wonder how big the suckers are too in the file. Because you don't want to go against giant apes. They'll freaking murder you all in many ways. Monkeys. This would be good for a nice little like abandoned jungle campaign or the primal materia. I forgot what it's called. It's like where all the animals at, and they got the primal form and the dire form as well. This is the fantasy one for it. Looks kind of cool. This probably could use for proxies for Warhammer. If I'm thinking about it. Probably be Stormbringers, I will say, but I don't know for 40k. Probably these for 40k. But anyhow, yeah, it was kind of cool. Now for it, cast and play. We got Bonegrave for October. So I don't think November's out right now, but hopefully it will be. Usually it'll come out very soon. Still the beginning of the week. Mini Monster Mayhem. I think that is October still. 4 days ago. I think this is it. Unscaled. Skeleton, zombie, dragon, minotaurs, and so forth. And towers. Blue dragon. Bonus in many ways. The bard, the wolf. I don't know if he's still alive. They're still doing their stuff. Oh, in many ways. Well, I think I'm gonna leave it there for now. I hope you guys do enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out Patreon, Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.